Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 21st July 2021. Essence. Sweet children, the Father has come to fill the aprons of you children with the imperishable jewels of knowledge. Each jewel of knowledge is worth hundreds of thousands of rupees. Question. Why is so much importance given to an incognito donation? Answer. Because the Father is now giving you the incognito donation of the jewels of knowledge which the world doesn't know about. Then, by donating these jewels of knowledge, you children claim the kingdom of the world. This too is incognito. There is no war or explosives, etc. Nor there is any expense. The Father donated the kingdom to you in an incognito way, and this is why great importance is given to an incognito donation. The essence for dharana is point number 1. Understand the value of the incognito donations you have received from the Father and fill your aprons with jewels of knowledge. Continue to give incognito donations to everyone. Point number 2. At this time of settlement, when everyone has to return home, use everything you have in a worthwhile way. Become one with a loving intellect. Show everyone the path to liberation and liberation in life. Today's blessing is: may you be a master lawmaker and make matter and the whole world Sato Pradhan with your power of truth. Again, may you be a master lawmaker and make matter and the whole world Sato Pradhan with your power of truth. When you children imbibe the power of truth and become master lawmakers, matter will become Sato Pradhan and the age of truth will be established. All souls create their fortune of salvation. Your truth is like a touchstone, alchemist's stone. Just as a touchstone is able to turn iron into gold, in the same way, the power of truth makes souls, matter, time, and all material things, all relations, all sanskars, diet, and interaction with others Sato Pradhan. Slogan. Yogi souls are those who are not attracted by even any of the upheaval of matter. Again, yogi souls are those who are not attracted by even any of the upheaval of matter. Om Shanti.